Well, before starting care in the office, I had aggravated an old injury when I was a kid, and I dislocated a vertebrae really low in my back, and I wasn't even walking straight. And one of the guys at work had suggested I come over and visit with Dr. Peterson, and I'm glad I did. That was 10 years ago, and it's probably one of the best decisions I've made in those 10 years. A lot better health. Able to do normal stuff where before I had to be really careful just starting a lawnmower, and for fear that I'd put my back out. And now it's, with all the regular maintenance, it's just great. I walk every day. I walk 5 to 6 miles every day. I travel a lot, and so that's not the most conducive to your health, because you're always lugging around big bags and everything, but I'm able to do that without having to worry anymore. I think my friends and family have noticed that I'm a lot happier. I'm not always in pain. I'm not grumpy. I'm always on the go. I shoot 6-8 weddings a year and running around like crazy, and my wife has a hard time keeping up with me. Yes, even though I do feel great, I expect that I'll get better all the time. I mean, when I've traveled a lot and carrying a 30-pound backpack around, from airport to airport and plant to plant, I notice it. And when I come in for my monthly adjustment, it's like, wow, this is just great. And so to know that every time I come in, it's going to get a little bit better and a little bit better and a little bit better, it's just an awesome thing. The thing I like most about the office are the people. I mean, the whole Peterson family and staff are just wonderful folks, great Christian folks, and that's important to both my wife and me. And that comes out in their care and the way they treat their customers.